AI agents used to feel like smart chatbots with extra buttons. Opus 4.5 changed that feeling because the real shift is not just better answers, it is better follow-through. It can plan, use tools, check context, and move through tasks with fewer hand-holding moments. The big question is no longer, can AI reply? It is, can AI actually work? A chatbot gives you information. An agent tries to complete a goal. That difference matters. For coding, research, documents, spreadsheets, and automation, an agent can break work into steps, use tools, and improve results after feedback. But it still needs clear instructions. Think of it like a sharp junior assistant, powerful, fast, but not something you leave unsupervised. The most useful part is multi-step work. Instead of asking one question at a time, you can give a goal, analyze this, compare options, fix the issue, create the output, and explain the result. That is why AI agents are becoming interesting for programmers, creators, analysts, and small business owners. They reduce switching, but they do not remove responsibility. Here is the danger: better agents can look more trustworthy than they really are. If an AI edits files, reads data, or controls tools, one wrong assumption can create real damage. Always review outputs, limit permissions, test changes, and avoid giving sensitive access blindly. The smarter the agent becomes, the more important your supervision becomes. Opus 4.5 made me take AI agents more seriously, because the future is not just faster chat. It is AI working inside real workflows. The winners will not be people who blindly trust agents. The winners will know how to assign tasks, check results, and design safe workflows. AI agents are not magic employees yet, but they are becoming serious digital co-workers. Don't miss future AI updates. Subscribe now.